How to fix CarPlay not working on iOS 17 update. So if you're facing a problem with CarPlay not working on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update, then let's solve the issue. CarPlay is a pretty important feature, especially if you have a car, and if you want to solve this problem, then the very first important thing that you guys have to do is just go ahead and tap on settings and then scroll down, and you'll find the screen time option right here. Tap on the screen time. From the screen time, you need to scroll down, go with content and privacy restrictions, and disable this option. Once you disable, you can go and enable that option again. And if you go back and open up your settings again, and if you just scroll down and then go with general, then you will see that the CarPlay option has been gone. If it was there right here, it has been gone. But if you just go back and then if you turn off the content and privacy restrictions and come back to the general section, then you will see the CarPlay feature, which is right here on the bottom. It will get right back on track. Now just go ahead and tap on your CarPlay and check whether it's working or not. You can set up your wireless CarPlay. Just go and set it up and your problem will be fixed. The other thing you need to make sure is that you have a stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Oftentimes, if those option is disabled, then your CarPlay is not going to work well on your device. After that, you can just simply go back and scroll down in your settings. Tap on General. Now you need to scroll down and then tap on your AirPlay option. You'll find AirPlay right here. Tap on it and make sure that your hands-off feature is enabled. Sometimes if you're disabling these two features, especially the automatic AirPlay and hands-off, your CarPlay is not going to work. So select automatic from AirPlay and enable hands-off feature on your iPhone. Now just simply go and restart your device. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.